Question number 3. A shopkeeper bought a bag of 50 kg rice in 350 rupees. He spent 5 rupees for its carriage. If he sells a kilogram of rice for 8 rupees 50 pice, how much profit or loss will be get? Shopkeeper bought cost price of 50 kg bag. Cost price of 50 kg bag is equal to 350 rupees. 350 rupees. He spent 5 rupees for carriage. Carriage transport ganu spent 5 rupees. 355 rupees. Cost price, total cost price 355 rupees. Total cost price 355 rupees. He is selling these rice at the rate of 8 rupees 50 pice. So selling price of 50 kg rice, 50 into 8 rupees 50 pice. 2 zeros. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40, 42. 425 rupees selling price. How much profit or loss will be get? So here the selling price is greater than cost price. So selling price is 425, cost price is 355. So selling price is greater than cost price. So you get profit. How much profit? So 425 minus 355. 0, 12 minus 5, 7. 70 rupees. You get profit 70 rupees. 70 rupees profit. So option is 1. Next, a cycle was bought for 500 rupees. What price should it be sold to gain 20%? Fourth one, a cycle was bought for 500 rupees. Cost price 500 rupees. At what price should it be sold it gain 20%? Gain of 20%. Gain or profit? Profit or gain 20%. If we given cost price and gain percent, we can find a selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. This is the formula. This is the formula, children. So cost price 500 rupees, 100 plus profit percent. So 100 plus profit percent 20 by 100. That is equal to 500 into 120 by 100. This 10 10 10 10. 5 12 5s are 60. We have 1 0. So 600 rupees is selling price. 600 rupees is selling price. 600. So option 2. Fifth problem. A fruit seller bought 60 oranges.
Sir, not coming, sir. Boredom.
వస్తుంది చూడు కరెక్ట్గా
మళ్ళీ
60 ఆరెంజెస్
గిరిపోయింది.
మ్యూట్ చేసి uh, 60 oranges. He bought 60 oranges at the rate of 12 oranges for 10 rupees. So 60 oranges for how much? So we can calculate 60. We know the unitary method. Divide this into. So 60 10 by 12 into 60. 12 10 by 12 into 60. 12 ones are 12 fives are 60. 10 fives are 50 rupees. For 60 oranges, how much? For 60 oranges, cost price of cost price of 60 oranges, cost price of 50 rupees. Cost price of 60 oranges 50 rupees. So selling price, how much is the selling price? So we can calculate this totally is sold. So 10 oranges per 12. 10 oranges for 12 rupees. 10 oranges per 12 rupees. So how much for 60 oranges? We know unitary method, divide into. So 12 by 10 into 60. 0 0 gets cancelled. 12 6 are 10. 12 by 10 into 60. 72 rupees. 72 rupees. 72 rupees. So here selling price is greater than cost price. So then you get profit. How much profit? 72 minus 50. 12 rupees profit. So 12 rupees profit. Oh sorry, here 7 minus 2, 22 rupees profit. 22 rupees profit. Option 1. Next question number 6. By selling a table for 180 rupees, a man lost 20% not children. Here you correct 20 rupees. The cost price of the table is. Question number 6. Selling price is 180 rupees. Here a man losses not percentage here, rupees, 20 rupees losses. 20 rupees losses. You correct children here, delete this percentage sign and keep this rupees sign, rupees symbol. So cost price is equal to cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Selling price 180, loss of 20 rupees. So cost price 200 rupees. So this is the answer. Option 3. Option 3. In this sixth problem, you have to correct the question. Here you keep rupees, losses, rupees. Seventh problem. A pen was bought for 20 rupees. At what price should it be sold to gain 20%? So here cost price 20 rupees. Cost price 20 rupees. And gain percent 20. What is the selling price? Selling price is equal to formula cost price into 100 plus profit percent or gain percent by 100. This is the formula. So cost price here we have 20 rupees, 100 plus profit 20, 120 by 100. So 1010, again 1010, 12 twos are 24 rupees. 24 rupees. 24 rupees is selling price. This is the answer. Option 3. Question number 8. A farmer bought a cow for 6,000 and sold it for profit of 4%. Then how much is profit? Cost price 6,000. Cost price 6,000 rupees and sold it profit percent 4%. So what the how much is profit? Profit is equal to 6,000 into 4 by 100. So two zeros cancel. 6 fours are 24. Keep this 0. 240 rupees. This is the profit. This is the profit. Option 2. Question number 9. A person buy 2 dozens. 2 dozens, 24 rupees. 2 dozens. Cost price of 2 dozens, 24 rupees. He sells them 3 rupees per orange. 2 dozens means 24 oranges. So selling price is equal to 24 at the rate of 3. We know the 24 table. 24 ones are 24, 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72. So 72 rupees selling price. So here at the rate of dozen 24 rupees. So 2 dozens, 2 dozens 24 into 2, 2 dozens, 24 twos are 48. Here asking find out is profit or loss. So selling price is greater than cost price. So selling price is 72, cost price is 48. So selling price is greater than cost price. So you will get profit. How much profit? 72 minus 42. We know 24 is the profit. 24 rupees profit. Option 3. Next, 10th question. One person sells 20 books for 1300 rupees. He gets profit 180 rupees. What is the cost price? Cost price is equal to formula. Question number 10. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, we know. So here given selling price 1300 rupees, profit also given 180 rupees, 180 rupees. Profit 180 rupees. So here cost price is equal to 0, 1, 10 minus 8, 2 minus 1, 1, 1120. 1120 is the cost price. So option 3, 11th one. Cost price 200, selling price, cost price 200, selling price 220. So by observing we can identify what is the profit. Profit is 20 rupees. So profit percent, you are asking profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. So this is the formula. So profit is 20, cost price is 200 rupees into 100%. So 2 zeros gets cancelled, 2 1 the 2 10 the 10%. 10% is the profit. Option 2. Next, 12th one. A shopkeeper sold dolls for 6 rupees and gained a profit of 20%. What is the cost price of the doll to the shopkeeper? So selling price here given, selling price 6 rupees, and profit percent also given 20%. Then here what we have to find here, cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. This is the formula. So here selling price is 6 rupees, 100 by 120. 0 0 gets cancelled. 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. 5 rupees is cost price. This is the cost price. So option 2. Question number 13. 300 books. Here cost price 300 books at the rate of 12 rupees. At the rate of 12 rupees. So 300, 12 3s are 36. 3600. He sold all the books and got 15% profit. Profit is 15%. So selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. So cost price 3600 into 100 plus 15, 115 by 100. Two zeros cancel. 36 115 into 36. So 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 9, 6 1s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 4, 3 1s are 3, 0, 14, 5, 11, 4140 rupees. 4140 rupees. This is the selling price. Option 3. Question number 14. A fruit seller by selling 1 dozen oranges at the rate of 100 rupees. Here selling price 100 rupees. Profit 20 rupees. Selling price 100 rupees. Profit 20 rupees. So cost price 80 rupees. So profit given, selling price given, basing these we can find by subtracting, we can get cost price 80 rupees. We know cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Now we can find profit percentage. Profit by cost price into 100 percentage. Profit 20 rupees, cost price 80 rupees into 100 percentage. 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 1s, 2 4s, 4 1s, 4 25s. So 25% is the profit percentage. So option 4. Next question number 15. A person bought a machine for 7,500 rupees and sold it for 750 as a profit. If the machine is sold at a rate of 8,500, what is the excess profit you will get? Question number 15. Question number 15. A person bought a machine for 7,500. Bought cost price 7,500. Sold it for 750. So this is the profit 750. 0. If we added this, we get to selling price. 8,250. So this is the selling price. Here, what is the excess profit he will get? If he is sold, if the machine is sold at a rate of 8,500, ఒకవేళ ఈయన 8,500 సేల్ చేస్తే ఎక్సెస్ అమౌంట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఇంకా అడిషనల్గా ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఈయన 8,250కి సేల్ చేస్తే 750 ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది. ఒకవేళ 8,500కి సేల్ చేస్తే ఇంకా ఎక్సెస్ ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది? We have to subtract this 8,250. So by observing, we can get to 250 rupees excess profit. Excess profit he will get. So option 1. Okay children,